guys, so today is a really fun day. I'm going to get a diamond put on my tooth. I'm working with the company Twinkles, and basically they wanted me to vlog the whole experience, so I'm gonna just do that. My appointment to see my orthodontist is at 9:30. I don't know what time it is right now, but I'm just kind of doing my makeup, so I'll just show you bits and pieces of me getting ready right now. Also, I have this insane cold sore right here, so I didn't get lopsided lip injections, and please don't make fun of me. It's really weird. Holy shit. Cute ass OOTD. My favorite toothpaste. My toothbrush. Okay, so I just did some makeup. I think I'm going to put some lipstick on to try to mask this monstrosity on my lip, but we shall see. So I don't know if I should do a red lip or like a mauve lip. I haven't really done a red lip in a while. Oh, by the way, I'm always getting these questions. All of my lipsticks, most of them at least, are NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. Let me show you how many I have. These are like my babies, honey, and these aren't even half of them. They are just incredible. I would highly recommend them. They don't wear off that easily, and they don't like crust around, and you can't tell that if you overline them, you can't tell. I don't know, I would just highly recommend these. Kind of weird angle, but we're just gonna go with it because I kind of have to rush. I'm going to line my lips with a Sephora brand lip pencil in the color Deep Beige. It's almost down. Honestly, it only came to like that much, but I swear my dog is always making an appearance, so. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips now. I feel like I have to overline this side so it's even with the other one. Also, my lips are so crusty right now. They are so broken and brittle that it actually hurts to exfoliate them. So I'm just gonna leave them. I don't really care. And I think I'm gonna just fill them in. Swimming blindly to throw myself upon your shore. What if I don't find you when I have landed? That's what my lips are looking like right now. And I think I'm gonna put a color over top. Just for fun. Just spice it up for today. I'm gonna put my favorite. I don't actually have the color of it anymore on here. It's either Abu Dhabi or Monte Carlo. No, that's Monte Carlo. That's yeah, I think this is Abu Dhabi. Yeah, pretty sure this is the color Abu Dhabi. Or Can. I think it's Abu Dhabi. Anyway. Okay. Lips are done, and we're ready to go. How to get my hair 101. Dry shampoo. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Sort it out a little. Okay, we're good. This is the stuff that I use. Pantene dry shampoo. People say it makes our hair dry, but just don't put it towards the ends and you're good to go. I haven't washed my hair since the shoot I had on Saturday, and it's Tuesday, so don't wash your hair every day. You don't need to. The more you know. Okay, so these are actually both of the diamonds. I'm only putting one, but I'm putting one of these on my teeth. So you'll definitely get to see today my dentist put it on my tooth and all of that. You guys should totally do this. Honestly, I feel like it's so bougie, and I'm really in love with the look of it. Anyway, these are both the diamonds. They're 0.02 carat, both of them. One is 18 karat gold and one is 22 karat gold. Really small, but they're really cute. You don't really need a huge one anyway. Okay, so I am now in my car and we're on our way to the orthodontist. Honestly, I'm really nervous about bringing this big-ass camera in there because I don't know how they're going to react, but we'll see. Hopefully it's fine. Hopefully I'm allowed to film in there. I didn't even end up asking, so we'll see. So, I'm going to sit this
Alright, so let's
here.
do...
So just
be careful moving, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Pick at least one of the eggs.
You happy with that? You like that location?
Yeah.
Alright.
I got the diamond put on my tooth. It feels a little weird right now just because I'm not used to it, but I'm so happy with it. We are back. I just got the diamond put on my tooth and I love it. It feels kind of weird because obviously I've never had a diamond on my tooth before, so it feels like I have braces again, which if you didn't know, I had braces. I hated my life, but I had braces. I'll show you the diamond. It's right there. I'm getting like lipstick on it as I'm talking, but I don't think it will be like that forever, so hopefully not at least. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I like the way it looks, a nice Nile. All of the information about this diamond in particular will be in the description box of this video, and if you want to buy one yourself, it'll be in the description box. You can use my code for some money off, and also I will put the information of the orthodontist that I went to get mine on. So if you're in Maryland or Annapolis or the Baltimore area or whatever, Dr. Michael Ruland is incredible. I love him. He's such a nice guy and definitely loves having fun with this kind of things. I'm sure if you were to bring a gold tooth to him, he would do it. But anyway, yeah, so if you guys have any other questions, definitely just feel free to comment them below. I don't really have much else planned for today. I wanted to do intermittent fasting today, but I've already had a sandwich, so I think I'm just gonna fast for the rest of the day. I've never tried this before, but I've seen a lot of people, I've had a lot of success with it, so I want to try it out. I just have to go and take some medication in the morning before I get into the fasting. I might get progressively more mad or hangry throughout the day, so definitely bear with me. But yeah, I'll check in with you a little bit later. Bye. Oh my god. I love Jason Nash and Trisha Paytas. Please tell me if they're actually dating because I'm in love. They are such a cute couple. Yes. Who else watched Jerseylicious when they were little? Because I was obsessed with them when I was like 13 or like 11, I think. So far, all I've had of this fast is a Pellegrino. And I don't know if this is even allowed when you're fasting, but I'm having it and it's pretty good. Okay guys, so I just want to have like a quick little kind of chat with you guys. Recently on my social media, especially Instagram, I have not really been in the best mood. I've been really upset, and it's because I've been spending a lot of time on there, and it really sucks. And it's not that I'm feeling insecure in the way that I'm looking, because a lot of the times when I'm on there a lot, I'm looking at models and I'm like, oh my god, like I don't look like them, blah blah blah. It's not like that. It's even worse for me is feeling like a lot of the people around me are succeeding and getting really great opportunities, and I'm kind of stuck, and I have no one else to really blame but myself. I shouldn't really be so vocal about how I'm feeling online, but a lot of people have definitely been asking and sending me the sweetest messages, and I've really been trying to respond to all of them, but I've also just been trying to not be on there as much. Obviously, I catch myself on there sometimes, and I shouldn't be, because today, for instance, I'm trying to take the day off of social media, so I'm not posting and I'm not really looking at much, and it has definitely made me feel a lot better. I'm seeing a huge improvement in the way that I'm feeling. Obviously, this won't be a permanent thing because I love talking with you guys, so I don't want to completely just cut myself off from everybody, but I just figured that I would give a little bit of an explanation. And I was on a live stream yesterday and I was crying, and I don't want that, and I don't want to be doing that in the future. So I'm just going to try to sort my mental self out before I go on there and start being sad, if that makes sense. I think instead of just crying about it, I should take the necessary steps to fix it, whatever it is, so that I can have a better take on it when I do discuss it, instead of just being on the verge of tears all the time, which is really unfortunate because I don't like being like that. That's not who, I mean, it definitely is who I am sometimes. I definitely try really hard to take care of myself mentally, and times like this is where I disregard how I'm feeling so that I can just keep moving and doing stuff, and I need to just take a second and say to myself, just because you're not all the time busy does not mean you won't do well in life. For me, I feel like if I'm not constantly on that grind and trying so hard for the future, I'm not going to get anywhere, but I will. I just have to take a second to just breathe. And I got a cold sore because I've been so stressed, and it's not good because I'm feeling a little bit insecure about that, but whatever. I think I'm rambling. I just really wanted to come on here really quickly and just say a little something, and I don't know if anyone watches this, but thank you guys so much for being so concerned about me. Really, it means the world, because in my real life I maybe have 2 or 3 people concerned about how I feel, and those are my immediate family members. So to think that there are strangers out there that know me better than a lot of people that I would consider friends is incredible, and I really cherish that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back to my fasting for today. Fuck. I don't know why I agreed to do that, really. It's just so boring and I'm hungry, but whatever. Okay, so I'm going to now cut, I guess, to some clips where I show you what I've picked up recently at the thrift store. I have a massive pile that I haven't put any of my stuff away yet, so I'm just gonna show you guys the things as I put them away. Okay, the first thing that I have is this super long fitted khaki high-waisted skirt. I don't know if you guys can even see it. I love this thing so much, but I think I just broke the zipper at the back when I was trying it on this morning, so I'm gonna have to fix this. This would look so hot with a super cropped, like if I had a turtleneck like this, for instance, it was cropped right under my boobs, this would look so hot with that. Oh, got this. It's a leather, 100% leather, zip up vintage bustier. I thought that this was just so cute. I'd probably wear this in the winter, to be honest, because I don't really have boobs to fill it out. But I just thought that something like this, it's so rare to find it when it's actually supposed to be like good quality and real leather. Usually you see like pleather wet seal ones or something. I just thought that this was so cute. And the next piece that I got was this ribbed tank top. I thought that this would be really cute cropped. I'm really into cropping things right under my boobs, and I really like the lace up. And yeah, I just think, I don't know, it gives off a certain kind of vibe. I'm not sure what the vibe is yet, but I really like this. The next piece that I have is this super form-fitting, again, ribbed, you can tell I love ribbed, sweater, but it's kind of scoop neck. I think I'm going to wear it this way around because I think it's a bit more flattering that way. So it's a bit cropped, it's express, and I just love this color. The next piece that I have is just this little boy's Henley t-shirt. It's got 2 buttons here. I thought that it would be a lot cuter than it was actually on, but I don't know, maybe I can make it work. I think I'd probably have to tuck this into like some really high leather pants or something. Next piece that I have is another skirt. Let me just zip it up. It's like a mermaid style, and it's leather, and it's black, and it's flowy, and it's just really hot. I don't know. I've been really into A-line skirts like this, and I'm really excited to wear this in the summer. And the next piece that I have, I've been dying for a white turtleneck. I got rid of mine last year, and I've been looking for one ever since because I don't know why I got rid of it. So I got this white one. It's super simple, and it's ribbed, and I really like how tight it is. Top today when I went for my mom. It is so like thin, you can see right through it, which she loves that kind of stuff. It's such a thin cotton material, which would be great for my mom. And it's super slouchy and oversized, and she loves those kind of things. And it's also blue, perfect for her. Is this robe, which is amazing. It's got short sleeves, and it's a bit Victorian-esque. It's super long, and I love how it's baby blue. Yeah, I just thought that this would be really hot in the summer, just hanging out. And the last piece of clothing that I got is this vest, and it's like a tapestry vest, which is really cute, and I'm really into suit waistcoat type vests recently, and I don't know, I really like the granddad style of this. It's really big on me, but this would look really hot in the summer with nothing underneath and some cut-off shorts or something. And then I also got these sandals. Now, I'm not quite sure about these. I just thought they were so Y2K. I just really like them. They're brand new as well. Oh, I have to sneeze. Okay, I guess I don't have to sneeze. Never mind. Anyway, I just really liked how they're patent red, and I just like the heel as well. Oops, and they were only $5. The last thing that I got today is, I'm pretty sure it's fake, this knockoff Chanel belt. There was a Gucci one that was real, but I didn't pick it up because I already have that exact belt, and I figured, even if this is fake, I just thought it was so cute, because honestly, it's really hard to even find real Chanel belts like this, or even fake ones as well, so I just like the way that this looks. I don't know exactly how I'll style this, but I thought that this was really cool, and definitely really rare. Those are all of the pieces that I picked up, and I'm just going to put them away and then just go and relax a bit more. Hey guys, so it is a few days later. I didn't end the vlog, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the diamond on my tooth, definitely let me know. The way it was bonded was basically the way that a bracket would be bonded if you had braces. It was super quick, super easy. The link if you want to buy one will be in the description box of this video, and also a promo code that you can get some money off, which I think would be really good. Also, follow them on Instagram. I'll put that in the description. Everything you need to know will be in the description box of this video. And yeah, I kind of ended this sort of abruptly. I basically just want to say thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, click the notification bell, all that jazz, and definitely look forward to more videos because I have a bunch already filmed that I'm going to be uploading really soon. And yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a really good day. Bye.